right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. If you missed the previous video, we just went ahead and turned the Shelby GT350 back up. We went from the 110mm pulley to the 100mm, and we are going to be getting our first hard pulls in tonight. We might even get our first race in tonight on this setup. I do need to go ahead and air the tires down, but I'm not going to do it yet. I'll show you guys under the hood when we get to a different location, but I'm curious how the car is going to run. It is very hot. It is very humid outside. It's like 90, I think, still, and it's almost 11 o'clock, high 80s, 90s. We're going to see what the car can do. I am anticipating the car to go around as fast as it did when we had 50-degree weather on the 105mm pulley. So yeah, we'll see what she can do. Hopefully we can hook. We absolutely should hook. I'm gonna air the tires down to 18 PSI. Like I said, it's hot, it's humid. We should be hooking up second gear. 100% we're gonna be hooking up third gear. And we'll see if we get some action in Mexico tonight as well. All right. Whew. I'm gonna go do a little hit right now. I actually do not have my tire inflator on me, and the tool that I use to get the read, for some reason it's not working. I think it's actually broken. All good. I aired the tires down a little bit because obviously on the dyno we have to air them up to get a more accurate read, or at least try to get a more accurate read. But what I'm gonna do right now is do a third gear hit just to see what the car does. Traffic on my side of Mexico. I am going to draggy the car as well, but I'm going to save that data for a different video. That's going to be a dedicated video so I can properly compare and contrast the 110, the 105, and now the 100mm. This will be technically the draggy that will really say what's going on, because this technically is the worst conditions. I mean, it's 91 outside right now. Holy shit. I wonder what the DA is. It's probably like 2,000. I guarantee you the DA is probably 2,000, which is chalked. Alright, I just hooked up the draggy and the DA is chalked. It is 2200 DA right now, which is not good. I think we're gonna get cucked, guys. No room. I'm definitely not gonna have room to do a burnout.
One eternity later.
Alright, we finally have some space to do a little test hit. straight, but it did spin.
A few moments later.
So we did 2 hits, 3rd gears. The car did not do that weird da-da, so that is a massive W. It is running similar to the 105 and pretty much 2000 DA. I don't know what's going over there, but 80 degrees outside according to Draggy. It's like 19.7 something, high 1900, 2000 DA right now. That's definitely playing a part. It honestly makes me wonder what this car would have ran in this air on the 110. I'm real curious what it would have ran. Woo! Well, we got to go ahead and take it out to Mexico next and test it out. I will also say I'm not going to show the Draggies in this video. We'll make a separate video. The 60 to 130s, I was doing them all in 3rd gear because I like to do a 3rd gear start to get a good comparison, because obviously less spinning. The 60 to 130, and technically if you do the math, it's like well over 2000 DA. It's like 2500 to like 3000 DA. I'm gonna make the comparison video. It did actually run on par to the 105 with a 3rd gear start, which is very interesting. Very, very interesting. Obviously it is making the same amount of boost, but the air is a lot worse. Because in the 105, it made like 16 pounds of boost. Actually, it made more. It's like 16 pounds of boost. On 110, in this air, it made 15 pounds of boost. So it ran similar with a pound less of boost and way worse air. Very, very, very interesting, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it's the next day, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, got some hard pulls. Only did 3rd gear hits because I wanted to get a good representation on exactly where the car is at on the 105 millimeter pulley in the air that we have right now. I need to go ahead and take the car to Mexico to see exactly where it stands. I might try to get a couple reruns against some cars that I did run on the 110. Now on the 100 millimeter pulley in the air that we have right now. I think that'd be a good comparison just to see exactly the performance difference. We should be getting some very, very good runs in soon. Hopefully the weather does hold out. This has been just a really bad like month and a half as far as like weather goes. It's hot, humid, rainy, super inconsistent, can't really get things done. That's why I have not been able to upload as frequently as I was, but we are still staying consistent. Like always, like I said, if you guys enjoyed the vid, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Been a boy Ears, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.